Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today, we delve into a powerful message from Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, specifically Book 2, Chapter 2, an essential reflection for mastering self-control and emotional independence. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, offers us timeless wisdom. So consider this: you are already old. Do not let your soul continue to be enslaved, to be jerked around by non-social impulses, and continue to suffer under the present or submerge in the future. This profound statement calls us to liberate ourselves from the chains of our impulsive reactions and emotional turbulence. Think about it. How often do we get upset when someone tries to control us? If someone tells us what to do, how to think, or how to live, our immediate reaction is resistance. We claim our autonomy and self-sufficiency, arguing that we have the right to make our own choices. Yet, paradoxically, many of us fail to recognize how easily we allow our internal urges and emotions to command us. Imagine a scenario. Someone says something we disagree with. Instantly, something inside us compels us to argue. Or you're sitting at a table with a plate of cookies in front of you. The temptation to eat them becomes almost irresistible. If someone behaves in a way we dislike, the immediate impulse is to get angry. When misfortune strikes, we naturally lean towards sadness, worry, and depression. Conversely, when something good happens, we flip our emotional state almost instantly, feeling elated and craving more of that joy. Marcus Aurelius challenges us to see that allowing these inner impulses to control us is akin to giving another person the power to yank us around. Ask yourself, would you let someone else dictate your emotions and actions this freely? Absolutely not. Yet we often permit our emotional reactions to puppet us, leading us away from our true selves and deeper purpose. In our daily lives, we often fail to establish the proper boundaries of reason, allowing arbitrary feelings to dictate our behavior. Today, let's take a stand against this and reassert control over our inner world. The Stoic approach is not about suppressing emotions, but managing them mindfully and rationally. Recognizing that we are more than our fleeting feelings is the first step toward reclaiming our autonomy. To carry Marcus's lessons into our modern context, it's vital to cultivate self-awareness and foster emotional intelligence. Begin by observing your impulses without judgment. When you feel anger rising or temptation beckoning, pause and reflect. Ask yourself why you're feeling this way and whether this reaction serves your highest values and goals. This practice creates a gap between stimulus and response, allowing reason to guide your actions rather than impulse. Furthermore, embracing Stoic virtues like resilience and self-discipline can fortify this internal governance. Resilience empowers us to see challenges as opportunities for growth, while self-discipline ensures we remain aligned with our long-term aspirations rather than succumbing to momentary desires. Remember, developing such control doesn't mean becoming emotionless. Instead, it's about achieving a balanced state where our emotions serve us rather than enslave us. By doing so, we honor our intrinsic capacity for reason and autonomy, qualities that define us as human beings. In conclusion, Marcus Aurelius's reflections remind us of the critical importance of self-regulation in leading a fulfilling and independent life. Let's strive to harness our emotions constructively, aligning our actions with our highest values and principles. Through consistent practice, we can transform impulse into insight, reaction into reflection, and chaos into calm. Thanks for joining me today. If this message resonates with you, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Together, we can build a community dedicated to thriving through the wisdom of Stoicism. Until next time, stay resilient, stay disciplined, and maintain that inner calm.